Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be putting together a fender roller to roll the wheel arches on a car where your wheels tuck in. I bought this off of Amazon, came in yesterday, so I'm going to put it together and then I'm going to put it to use. So this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put this together, and the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to put it to use. Let's get started taking all the parts out of this box. You open up a box, this is what you see. Here are probably the instructions on putting it together. So let's take a peek. Here it has some safety instructions and precautions you should take. Here it has a rough diagram of how this thing goes together. So let me pull everything out of the box and put it together so that it's functional. My roller is together and appears to be tight, but you can put an Allen in there, make sure that's tight. Next, I'm going to connect it to this, which has a threaded hole in it. So this is going to go through here like this, and you're going to use this to put through there and start threading it so that you could tighten it and change the angle as needed. When you put this screw through here, make sure you get it at the proper angle so that the thread comes straight through. That should happen easy, and then this will go through that hole. If it starts feeling super tight, it's likely cross-threaded. Do not cross-thread it. Be careful. Mine tried to cross-thread when I hooked it up. Next, you find the piece that has the thread in it, the round piece. You put it in the bottom of this piece that has a hole in it. Washer on both sides. Snug down the Allens so that that piece is in there. Pivots like that. Next, you take this piece that does not have threads in it. You put it in here. Screw and washer on each side. Snug those Allens down. Next, you take this pin that came with it. You put it through that pivot there. You have that there. And you put the Carter pin in the other side so that that doesn't come out. And you have this piece like this. Next, you take your height adjuster. Put it in through there. Take your knob. Screw it through there, and it'll screw all the way in through that track, and pin your height adjuster in there. Just screw that all the way down, and it'll look like this. Now you put your angle adjuster lever, screw it in here and put it through there, and a nut will go on the other side of that, a lock nut. Take this, screw it through that pivot there, and then align it, stick it through there, and now you put a nut on it there. This pin here, depending on the angle of your vehicle, will be in this hole or this hole. You find out that when you go to use it. That's why it's got that quick release Carter pin. So I'm going to tighten this down here. I got the handle screwed in there, and you got these 5 spacers here. These spacers are used for mounting this to your wheel and how your lug nuts will fit through these. So you got 5 of those, and they're stored on your handle. So we are good to go, ready to take this wheel off and use this thing. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.